Well, this is my beware of what you buy on the internet video. This is the second fuel regulator, Motorcraft CM4760, which I have bought. The first one was on the internet, and when we received it, we did receive it very timely. It was through a Amazon seller, not directly from Amazon themselves. And the first thing I noticed, first off, this is not the carton that I had received. This is the new one. But on the carton I did receive from the Amazon seller, it was very well handled. You could tell it immediately that the edges of the carton were ruffled, very slightly torn. Anyway, it looked like it was an old carton box, and it had a yellowish sticker that had been torn off, very similar to this except yellow, and that just kind of reminded me of a return sticker. And the fuel pump, or the fuel regulator, was not in a sealed internal bag of any type. It was just laying loose. But the kit for the O-rings and the screws, it was complete and it was sealed. But just the condition of the carton and the fact that the fuel regulator was not internally sealed within the carton just screamed, this is a return to those folks, and then they somehow resold. So I had installed it and immediately recognized it was not holding pressure, and it was allowing fuel to dump right back into the return line. So we did a return on that part back to the seller, and I sucked up the cost and ordered one from through O'Reilly's locally, so if there is an issue I can just walk down and talk to them. And just to let you know, also I had tried a third-party fuel regulator, completely different design on the O-rings. This is a 2-screw regulator, meaning there's only 2 screws, not 3 points. But the big point to consider, there's one O-ring that fits inside this indentation on the mounting block or mounting plate, and then the other 2 O-rings of course fit on the port that slides in. But the third parties, they just had a flat plate that went across everything, and that just did not look right. I don't know what they were designed for, but it sure wasn't this engine. So things to look at, things to consider. And just on another small side topic, I had gone to Napa and picked up some Autolite spark plugs. They were supposed to be the well, I forgot the terminology now, single platinum AP line on the Autolite. And of course I get them home, I open up the boxes. All the boxes are marked single platinum, but inside 6 of them were just base. They were not the single platinum or the double platinum, they were just the base. I went ahead and used them. It was just too much hassle to drive back to Napa and exchange them, because I wanted to get it in at this point because I had everything ready. But I did tell Napa later, just whether it made a difference or not, that they needed to check these items before they let them go across the counter. So things to look for that you don't consider anymore. Hopefully this helps somebody.